Hey friends, welcome to this new video of motivational series. I would like to share a wonderful incident with you today. We were attending a seminar on life lessons. Suddenly, a man stood up and said, Guruji, my wife nags a lot when I go to my home after drinking. Yesterday I broke my television while fighting with her. Now I am in dilemma about what to do, Swamiji. Swamiji said to take a gift for her when you go home. He said, I have done it, Swamiji, but she still shouts. Then enjoy her nagging and do not fight with her. One day she will stop nagging. After some years, he met Swamiji. Swamiji asked, Sharmaji, Suche. Sharmaji said, nagging continues, enjoyment can't continues. So, this was the wonderful incident we enjoyed. So, today video is also related to it. Today we'll talk about life lessons on marriage and a message of marriage. The topic of today's video is a message of marriage. So let's begin. Marriage can be a great teaching or a curse. Marriage can be a great accident or a beautiful incident. Bring any loving awareness in relationship and you receive the valuable learning of marriage, neither to be independent or dependent, but to be interdependent. And marriage is an institution where both the partners are interdependent on each other. Life is interdependent. Nature exists in the harmony of interdependence. Every creation of God is interdependent towards each other. And when this interdependency increases, nature harmonizes itself. Marriage is a field of divine learning, and you learn every day. Sometimes you have to enjoy the moment, sometimes you have to sacrifice something, sometimes you have to adjust something. It teaches you lots of qualities, lots of life lessons which will make you a complete man or complete woman. It has got everything, and you have to learn these things to live a wonderful life. Marriage can be a coffin of love or a garden where harmony exists in diversity. Love and commitment are the basis of marriage. Similarly, the basis of life should be love and commitment. Complaint is a futile exercise. If you complain about marriage, you keep complaining all the life and you will waste your life in complaining. Instead, you should compliment the marriage and enjoy each and every moment of your life and make it an unforgettable journey. Commitment. Commitment is the ladder for true growth. In such a space, life becomes meaningful as well as fun. You have to be committed. Both the partners have to be committed to each other. And when you are committed to each other, it will teach you to fulfill the commitment in your lives also. And when you start fulfilling the commitments of your life, you will be a complete person, and it enhances the trust of people on you, which is it which is a wonderful gift. It itself grows your demand. So commitment is the base of married life. Play with success and failure like flowing with the seasons. We will not be successful every day, we will not be failure every day. Someday we may get success, someday we may get failure. But life is a combination of these two things, and we have to live like this. At last, I would like to share a sacred key with you. Marriage can be a coffin of love or a garden where harmony exists. It depends on the partners how they live with these wonderful institutions. Thank you friends for watching this video. I'm sure all of you are enjoying these series of motivational videos and you will like it. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe it and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get latest notifications of videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.